In this video, we are going to discuss about first year zoology syllabus. In first year zoology, total 8 chapters are there. That first one, diversity of living world. Diversity of living world. In this diversity of living world, first one, what is life, nature, scope and meaning of zoology, branches of zoology, need for classification, zoos as a tools for the study of taxonomy, basic principles of classification, biological system of classification. So levels of hierarchy of classification, nomenclature, binomial, trinomial nomenclature, species concept, kingdom Animalia, then biodiversity, meaning and distribution, genetic diversity, species diversity, ecosystem diversity, other attributes of biodiversity, role of biodiversity, threats to biodiversity, methods of conservation, IUCN Red Data Books, conservation of wildlife in India, legislation, preservation, organization, threatened species. Next one, structural organization in animals. Second unit, structural organization in animals. In these levels of organization, multicellularity, diploblastic and triploblastic conditions, then asymmetry, symmetry, radial symmetry, and bilateral symmetry. Then acoelomates, pseudocoelomates, and eucoelomates, schizo and enterocoelomates. Tissues, we have different types of tissues. In animal tissues, we have 4 types of animal tissues: epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscular tissues, nervous tissues. Next one, animal diversity. Here, the unit 3rd and unit 4 are divided into animal diversity 1 and 2. In these two chapters are divided invertebrate phyla and vertebrate phyla. So, animal diversity 1 consists with Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata and Hemichordata. These are invertebrates. Then animal diversity 2 with chordates. Chordate means the presence of chord, notochord. So here phylum Chordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata, Agnatha. In Agnatha we have the class Cyclostomata. Superclass Gnathostomata, we have superclass Pisces, nothing but fishes. And again of Pisces we have two classes, Chondrichthyes and Osteophytes. Then tetrapod. Tetrapoda means 4 legs. 4 poda, nothing but legs. So here in tetrapoda we have amphibia. Amphibia means nothing but living in both conditions, water and soil or on earth. Then class reptilia, then aves, then mammalia. So these are the 4th unit. Then 5th unit we have locomotion and reproduction in protozoa. Locomotion means movement. So definition, types of locomotor structures, pseudopodia, flagella and cilia. Then flagellary and ciliary movements, effective and recovery strokes in euglena, synchronal and metachronal movements in paramecium. Then reproduction, definition, types, asexual reproduction, transverse binary fission in paramecium and longitudinal binary fission in euglena. Then multiple fission. Then sexual reproduction, syngamy, like we have in this. Then 6th chapter is very important. It is a biology and human welfare. In this we are going to discuss about parasitism and parasitic adaptations, health and disease, introduction, life cycles, pathogenicity, treatment and prevention of Entamoeba histolytica, which causes amoebiasis, Plasmodium vivax, which causes malaria, Ascarias lumbricoides, which cause ascariasis, Wuchereria bancrofti. It's also called as elephantiasis, a disease caused by Wuchereria bancrofti, elephantiasis. Then brief account of pathogenicity, treatment, prevention of typhoid, pneumonia, common cold and ringworm. Then what are the drugs and alcohol abuse? Drugs and alcohol abuse. Then seventh unit, types of Periplaneta. The type study of Periplaneta americana. It is a scientific name of a cockroach only. So here the cockroach life cycle, the complete habitat and habits, external features, locomotion, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, sense organs, structure of ommatidium, and reproductive system are there. So in eighth chapter, ecology and environment. Ecology and environment. In these organisms and environment, then some definitions also there: ecology, population, communities, habitat, nature, biome, and ecosphere. Then ecosystem, elementary aspects only: abiotic factors, light, temperature, and water, biological effects. How the abiotic factors affects the biological effects. Then ecological adaptations. Then population interactions. Then ecosystems, types, components, and lake ecosystem. Food chains, food web, productivity and energy flow in ecosystem. Ecological pyramids, pyramids of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. The nutrient cycling, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus cycles. Then population attributes, growth, natality and mortality, age distribution, population regulation. Then environmental issues. In the environmental issues, we have pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and sound pollution. Thank you for watching and all the best.